But before any of this happened, this is the story. So it's been about 4 years since I started flying stabilized DJI Mavics. This little robot has given me the ability to experience the beautiful scenery of Earth from a different perspective. And finally today, we are taking this to a whole other level. I've always wanted to fly FPV, you see. Here you have complete control over the drone. This puppy was built for total aerial freedom. We have a bag, some accessories and extra propellers, 2 extra batteries with a charging dock, the RC motion controller, goggles, which gives us an entirely new perspective, and finally, the Avata 2. So here's the thing. Obviously, you can't just go straight into manual mode and start executing all these crazy dives and tricks. You first have to become a pilot. And just like in flight school, it all starts with a simulator. So let's go. Whoa, okay. How does this work? Holy. Wow. That is amazing. It's like I'm wearing glasses. Enter real view by firmly tapping on the right side of your goggles twice with your fingertip. Oh, I can see everybody. Oh shit. The little pupper. I guess the battery is dead? Oh, everything is dead. So I'm charging the batteries right now. Let's go back in here. Whoa, it's turning on. Hello, little birdie. We're gonna be friends. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Activate. Whoa. DJI Care Refresh, purchased within 48 hours. We're not gonna crash. Editing Juan from the future here, and yes, I should have bought that insurance. This is what happened 2 weeks later. I'm not ready to fly yet. I gotta go on simulator. There's 2 little screws over here that actually loosen up the joystick, and that's how you actually fly in manual mode. So open up liftoff. Free flight. Let's look for a cool map. I don't know. Which one will be the closest to an Avata? Okay. Well, this is a small drone. Oh boy. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah, this isn't going that well. Let's try to dive this building over here. Ooh. Ask. Oh, wow. Whoa. Let's dive some mountains now. I'm just kidding. Let's try to do a 360. Woo! 360. I don't know what you call that. I think there's a power loop. That's what it's called. Little baby drone. Let's try to make it through this gap. Oh, what? Yeah, and in just 15 minutes, I was doing all these crazy dives, huh? Okay, I lied. I didn't get this good in 15 minutes. Here's what actually happened. So, I've been flying stabilized Mavics from DJI for about 4 years now, and I've taken this little birdie with me in all of my travels. Once I got decent enough to compose beautiful shots like these, DJI FPV drones started hitting the market. Before this, the FPV world, which stands for first person view, was really underground, and you had to learn about microelectronics, soldering, tuning your drone, repairing your drone because of the constant problems of losing connection, etc, etc. Alright, so this is gonna be the first day I'm gonna start practicing over here. So, in August of 2022, I grabbed my PS4 controller, bought a flight simulator off of Steam, and started practicing. At first, I felt like I was learning how to walk again for the first time, but as I logged more hours, I got really good at understanding the air physics associated with flying quadcopters. Then, 2 months later, after I logged over 100 hours, I bought my first pre-built drone, and I ruined it. Since there are so many parts to FPV drones, I couldn't get the ECS, the part that controls the rotors, to sync with the flight controller. So my newbie ass self thought I had to reprogram it in beta flight. I got super turned off with FPV that day and never really got to experience real life flying. Until today. So I'm looking for a spot that is flat enough so that if I crash, I can go find my drone. Hopefully there will be a field somewhere here. So we just made it to the spot that is an open field. We're not really in the best light conditions, but so guess what, guys? It started raining. The last week, we have actually been under some sort of a heat wave, and of course, the day I come outside to shoot, it's gonna start raining. Hopefully it clears up because it looks like there's gonna be a storm coming this way. And guess what? As soon as I was going to take off, it started getting windy, and now it's pouring. Amazing. We will wait. We got 30 minutes left of sunlight. Yo, I had to drive like an hour, dude. You've been wanting to fly this whole time, haven't you? So I guess the storm passed. I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, there we go. What's up? It is Editing Juan from the future, and here are a couple mistakes I made before taking off. The first mistake, this over here, this button engages the camera and pivots it down. So when I took off, I thought I was looking straight, but I ended up looking down and the drone... We just crashed the drone, baby! I'm actually flying right now. I'm still in sport mode though. Oh, look at that plane up there. Holy. But I don't know how to enter full manual mode. Mistake number 2. To enter manual mode, control, remote controller, and then down here where it says custom mode, go into manual mode, and then you confirm. Let's bring it back. Holy crap, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to put this on full-blown manual mode. Let's try it again. Well, we got about 5 minutes left of sunlight. Alright, well, I had to set manual mode for my goggles. But now we're in full-blown manual mode, baby. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, let's try to fly close to something. Try to go in between these trees. Oh my god, I just went in between the cables. You know what sucks is I'm editing this. I realized that it got so dark, but the rain threw me off. Now all of this footage is super dark. Still gotta make it happen. I will make that up in the next video. Holy. Oh my god, this is actually pretty close to the simulator. There's the car. There's some cables here. Oh my god. Let's try to follow his car. Cinematic shots. Whoa. Can we do a dive? Oh my god. This is insane, dude. Oh, well, guys. We have successfully flown in manual mode. Let's actually try to land in the car. We did it. We did it. That was insane. We landed in the car. Doesn't look as dark in here because the ISO on this camera is insane, but it's actually really dark. First impression, that was absolutely insane. We went right under the car on our first attempt because I took off in I shouldn't be taking off in sport mode. I should be taking off in normal mode. Let's try something else tomorrow. Wow. Now we're going to be talking about something that for some of you is going to be completely random, which brings us to today's sponsor, who is Oddsjam. Advantage play gambling or plus EV betting is a form of advantage play gambling where you can actually flip the house edge in your favor, and it is one of my streams of income. Think about it from a card counter's perspective. Card counters, poker players, some slot machines, they use something called plus EV, which is how you actually win in that game, and only about 1% of people do it correctly. The rest are just recreational players. Oddsjam is one of the tools that I personally utilize in my betting season, and this whole video was shot in Colombia, and now I am back in the States in Jersey because the NBA has started, and that is one of the ways that I supplement my income, if not basically my main stream of income. Check it out. For some of you, it's going to be completely random. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a scam. This is legit. That is how I am able to buy all of these adult toys. So if this is of any interest of you and you are a numbers person and understand the basic math, then you might go down the plus EV rabbit hole like I did 2 years ago. Now, back to the video. Yesterday was amazing. We actually overcame the rain, so that was good. But I was flying with a safety mode. Mistake number 3, for the drone to actually dive and be able to do full turns like this, we have to go and turn off the attitude mode. We go into settings, control, remote controller, and then we go into gain and expo, and then we go into M mode attitude limit, confirm, you disable that. And now we are in full-blown manual mode with no restrictions. Motor starting. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna enter manual mode. And we hit the cable instantly. Impact detected. Holy crap. Sensor error. That's always good. I'm getting all these errors. We hit this cable, but all these freaking, whoa. Oh my god. Oh, these cables are so dangerous. But now I can dive. Oh my god, I'm diving. Holy crap. We're gonna attempt our first dive ever. We're gonna go all the way to the top of the mountain. I walk up this mountain every morning, all the way to the top. Alright, let's go ahead and start diving. Oh my god. I'm diving. I'm diving. This is my first dive. Holy shit. Did you see that? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Dude, this is insanity. Oh my god. Wow. That was insane, dude. I think I went through these cables. Holy shit. Okay, now I'm gonna try something completely smart, which is fly inside my house, but not on manual mode. I'm just curious to see how the normal mode works. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the speed. Holy crap. I'm still on normal mode. Here I am. That feels so weird. Oh my god. Look at this, dude. This looks absolutely insane. Let's go a little higher. Holy. Should we go on manual mode again in the rain? Dude, it's literally... Dude, that looks like heaven. So, it is day 3. We are getting a little better, more comfortable with this little baby right here. The vibes and the view is pretty nuts.
¡Oh! ¿Qué cámara tan linda tiene, marica? Eso es HD, huevón. Oh, shit!
Listo, ahora sí, papi.
Ahí vienes. Mira el árbol.
Coming right there.
¿Y ahora?
It's coming right there. Uy, eso es sopladísimo, güey. Oh, God.
Uf.
Oh, shit.
Uy,
Uy, si esas piezas bajas que cogí con ese árbol. Uy.
Unfortunately, this is what happened on day 4.